Okay, my name's Raymond Care.
There's all kinds of them right here. Where?
Our store been going
over there.
42 years. It took 2 minutes to do this. I lost all my inventory. Totaled the truck out. I lost probably 40 saddles. They'll be salvaged, but they're not brand new anymore. Well, yeah, this here was a whole wall, a whole 24 by 24 full of horse tacks. Well, it was just a big gust of wind, like. It wasn't nothing like no train thing or nothing, but wind just come along and off it went. Well, yeah, nobody will buy them as brand new anymore. They got scratches on them, and it's like buying a pair of shoes. You ain't gonna go in the shoe shop and say, "I want this scratch pair of shoes." Life don't work that way.